Welcome to our channel. Activating YouTube TV on your PlayStation 5 is quick and easy. Here's how to link it to your account. Step 1. Turn on your PlayStation 5 console and go to the main menu. Navigate to the Media tab using your controller. Step 2. Select all apps and then open the PlayStation Store. You'll download the YouTube TV app from here. Step 3. Search for YouTube TV in the PlayStation Store. Use the search function and type the name with the on-screen keyboard. Step 4. Select YouTube TV from the search results and click Download or Install. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. Step 5. Return to the Media tab on your PS5 home screen and launch the YouTube TV app. Step 6. Select Sign In on the YouTube TV welcome screen. An activation code will appear on your TV. Step 7. On your computer, smartphone, or tablet, visit the YouTube TV activation website displayed on your screen. This is typically tv.youtube.com. Start. Step 8. Enter the activation code from your PlayStation 5 into the website. Sign in with your Google account that's linked to your YouTube TV subscription. Your PS5 app will refresh automatically, and you can start streaming live TV channels. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.